let's break that down. Playing a Kongsheng, sunrise, key of C. There's a couple different ways to do a hand wah. The way that you typically hold the harmonica in your left hand all the way into your crook of your palm there. The best seal that you can get around the entire harmonica, you're going to get the best wah. To my ears, the strongest wah that you can get is when you're tongue blocking. Like when I started with that, when I did that 4 draw. So if I'm holding the harmonica like that, I fold my fingers around. I take my other hand, put my palms together, and then I just have everything closed off. So everything is sealed as much as I can get. And then the other thing is by tongue blocking, I'm really just laying the harmonica against my cheek. I'm doing all this stuff. I'm trying to kill everything I can. I got my thumb on the back here, blocking holes 9 and 10. I'm not really thinking about that. And then I'm tongue blocking. The harmonica is even kind of up against my cheek. And then the wah is coming really from the bottom. Wah, wah, wah. You know, that kind of thing. I'm not saying wah. I'm not doing anything. I'm just doing a 4 draw, tongue blocked, and opening my hands. Then I did the same thing. I went to a 4 blow. I will say I am doing one continuous breath when I do that. I'm just doing one continuous flow of air drawing in, and then one continuous blow of air blowing out. And then I went to the 2 draw and just did it on the 2 draw. The 2 draw, I'm not tongue blocking. I'm just puckering that, but I'm still just keeping the same thing, getting as much of a seal around the harmonica as I can. So it's just that big seal and that release that's giving me that wah sound. And then I just repeated that thing, but I made each of the notes dirty, so I kind of did 4 and 5 draw, which I think is just a super cool sound. 4 and 5 blow. And on the 2 draw, I just kind of played a chord. I felt like it was a little more of a 2-3. So that's that really tight cupping kind of wah sound that you can get. Another hand thing you can do is that old style cowboy thing. There are 2 sides of a hand technique, but the wah thing really, you have to get that really strong cup, that really strong seal around the harmonica to be able to get that kind of wah sounding thing, which is a very cool sound. And as someone who plays guitar and messes with a wah pedal sometimes, it really does have that similar sound. See you next Monday.